a birthday celebration.
I'm the Travel OG, and I traded in my Hollywood lifestyle for the sexy beaches of Pattaya, Thailand. We're bringing you exclusive interviews, showing you what the golf courses are like, the caddies are like, what the homies like. Zoom to Thailand with your man Richie Mack, the Travel OG.
My girls are better than your girls, 'cause they're not really girly girls, like a girly girl. They're really cool, not that shallow. Cool, not that shallow. My girls are better than your girls, 'cause they're not really girly girls, like a girly girl. They're really cool, not that shallow. Cool, not that shallow. The three of us, we are soldiers. The three of us, we are soldiers. We got soul. We are soldiers.
Welcome out to Thailand. Step right off the plane, make it rain like it's my land. So tell me why she smiling. Travel 1,000 miles just to see her take a bow in. Perfect place she come to party, I was hella patient. Whole day we zooming out for Richie's celebration. Yacht party, golf tourney, island party. You can bring a Thai shorty, Richie bring 'em out naughty. Don't let it ruin ya. Meet a couple influencers, snap some pictures, share your ditches. Paradise, we do it up. A welcome dinner, we here walking street. Yeah, you do a lot of talking, but here talk is cheap. We in Thailand. We in Thailand. We in Thailand. It's getting hot, somebody call a fireman. 12 nights in paradise, baby. 2 cities, 1 island. A welcome dinner, a yacht party, a meet and greet with all your fellow YouTubers. And we gon' hit Walking Street, Sunni's barbershop, Taylor Soups, which is an option. Golf tournament, baby, for all you putters and bowlers. And the island party where you can bring a Thai girl of your guest. That's right, a celebration dinner and your last night in Pattaya. You can rest when you get back to the Matrix, baby. This is courtesy of the Travel OG.
What up, Zoom Tribe? It's time to experience and see for yourself what the hype is all about. Thursday, July 20th till Tuesday, August 1st. That's 12 nights, 2 cities, and 1 island with the Travel OG and a bunch of my closest friends. But wait, there's more. Patreon members receive discounts and exclusive perks, and depending on the package you choose, so do you. Get ready for the ultimate adventure with the Travel OG. We got you covered from sunrise to sunset, you dig? Make sure to go to zoomexcursions.com and pick your package before the packages are all sold out. Join the excitement as we immerse ourselves in Thai culture from Bangkok to Pattaya to the island of Koh Larn. This is the first year of an annual event and you don't want to miss. 12 nights, 2 cities, 1 island. Consultations are included when you book any package. See you guys in July. Tired of fighting with your girl? Tired of dealing with the same stuck-up women when you go out in the States? Tired of these fake-ass IG models begging for cash apps? Fellas, I'm here to tell you, you don't have to settle. The women in Pattaya outnumber the men 20 to 1 out here. No matter your age, your race, your height, or even your weight, they don't discriminate. They don't discriminate. Think I'm lying? Zoom to Thailand with your man Richie Mack, the Travel OG. Make sure to like and subscribe to all my videos. You got questions? No problem. You balling on a budget? No problem. You scared of rejection? No problem. It's impossible to fail here. Book a consultation, become a Patreon member, make new friends, and join the family of Zoom to Thailand. Your life will never be the same. Zoom Tribe! All right, we're going to chat the other day. And if you want to see more, including the clips I can't show you on YouTube, join the Zoom Patreon. Memberships start at $5 and you can cancel at any time. Support the Zoom to Thailand movement. And if you're serious about coming out here, book your consultation before you book your flight. I can help you with that too. And since you made it this far, here's a little something extra.
Still a big ass dog. It comes correct for birthdays. Hey, Dante! Yeah! You got his wife in photo, right? ESPN, and that's what we're on. You don't need to ride off. Football and basketball. You can't be nailed. No, it's okay. It's okay. We're going to take Dante to a real polo match. Make him watch that shit. One more time. 1, 2, 3. All right. Yeah. Here. Let's go. Let's hit one there.